Hi everyone. Today we will be looking at gold, and as we all know that we have NFP news, non-farm payroll today. We will be looking at gold to see the possible move and where the price will drive to. So I'm gonna start from monthly time frame, then work it down to intraday time frame, so we can see or know the possible zone where price will go to. Starting from the monthly time frame, what do we see? We can still see that in our monthly perspective, price is still trapped at where? At the resistance level. We can see how this resistance level have been tested in the past, and now price is currently there. Also in the previous month candle, you can see how price failed to stay above the previous month candle. Here is the previous month candle. Here is the previous month candle. So we can see how this monthly candle, this present one now, is still overlapping at the previous monthly high. All this while it has failed to stay above. This is the previous month candle, and this is the current one. So it has failed to continue staying above. So we will possibly experience a rejection or a drop. Now dropping down to weekly time frame, what do we see? Okay, here in the weekly perspective, we can see how price have been making higher high, higher low, higher high, and all of a sudden price is currently ranging at this zone. So for past few weeks now, price has just been trading in more of channel. This is what the price have been doing, and we all know this channel as a probability of price to break above or do what? Drop. So at this point now, price can either break out to form a new all-time high, or do what? Or drop all the way from there, or make correction. Now dropping down to our daily time frame, here things seems quite interesting. You can see that in the daily perspective, price is currently testing the previous daily resistance. Here is the previous daily resistance, and we can see that price is still at that level, testing it for the second time. And also we will notice how this week so far have been making a bullish move. Now price for this week has been bullish all this while, and at present the strength of buyers are trapped in between the sellers zone. So buyers that entered this market from the start of the week are already panicking, and most of them are taking out their position, which resulted to this long week rejection after yesterday. Okay, and if we are to consider what would be the possible move of the market, already we've known that there is nothing in the historic chart again. All the sellers in the market are already taken out. All the sellers that have been dominating this market from here are all taken out. They are taken out from the market. So now market is at 50-50 probability zone, where buyers can either take charge of the market, or sellers will do what? Venting again. And we all know that whenever price makes a new high or reach a new peak, there is always a panic whether to continue or to allow price drop. So at the moment, I personally would be looking out for what? Selling opportunity only if price trades below 2050 psychological level. Here is the 2050 psychological level. Here, that's the 2050 psychological level. Also, we can see that the 2050 psychological level is where is at the previous daily resistance. So I can only trade, and we see that yesterday, as at yesterday's candle, it did not break that zone. Yesterday's candle did not close above the 2050 psychological level, which is here. Had it been that the candle closed above, we would have had more confidence to go long in the market. But at the moment, we see that the price just got trapped in between that level. So in this London section, if I drop down to my H4 time frame, in this H4 time frame, okay, now here things seems more interesting. Here things seems more interesting. In this intraday time frame, we can see how price did what after this impulsive move yesterday. After the impulsive move, there was a correction. So let's measure the impulsive move first. Measuring the impulse move, you can see that there was a correction. The correction that followed stopped at 50.0% and 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is this zone I highlighted with rectangle. So what the price did was to make impulsive move, a correction, and what? Another impulsive move, getting trapped at this zone, getting trapped at this high. So as of yesterday, price have not made a new high. So we are still having a kind of what? Double top in formation. We are still having a double top formation. That is, price has not done what? Made a new high. Now, what I'm considering from the market is this. If market failed to stay or trade above 2050 psychological level, which is here, if price failed to trade above here, I will be looking out for sell opportunity. I will be looking out for sell opportunity, and the sell opportunity will start from this sell stop limit zone, that is at price of 2043. If price eventually get to 2043, I'm first of all taking a short position that would run till this level, 2030. So at the moment in this London section, what I have in mind is to go short in gold, and I will take the trade from 2043 at that price, 2043, and my TP would be at where? 2030. So I would be setting my trade. I'll be setting a sell stop order at 2043. Then my TP would be where? At 2030. Then my stop loss would be at 2048. So this would be my first trade in the morning. If only price would get to 2043, then I will take my first trade, because buyers are now panicking. Sellers are gradually venturing into the market. Sellers are gradually entering the market. And if we drop down to our daily time frame, 1 hour time frame, we can see clearly. Let's delete this. Here in the 1 hour outlook, we can see how price has just been clustering at this level for past few hours now. Price has just been clustering at that zone, and so far the two major zones in this market is this area of 230 psychological level, which is here, and where 250, 260 psychological level. So we have price trapped in between 230 and 250. I can only look out for buy opportunity when I see price close above 250, and I can only look for selling opportunity, more selling opportunity, when I see price break below 230. So at the moment in this New York session, in this London session, what I'll be looking out for is just for price to test 22043 psychological level, which is this level, and I will first of all take a selling position which will run from this level to this level. Since the price is currently just like this, since the price is currently trading in between 250 and 240, so once price approached 2043, I will be taking a short position from that level to 2040. So that would be my first trade in the morning. Then I will now watch out price to see what happens at 2030. If price break below 2030, then I'll be taking more selling opportunities. But if price fail to break there, then I'll be looking out for what buy opportunity. So price would be trading between 2030 and 2050 for the moment. Thanks for watching.